Hey there, future scientists! Welcome to an incredible adventure. We're about to dive into the story of life itself, what makes you your pets and even giant redwoods alive. Ever wondered why your heart beats or how a seed becomes a sunflower? That's biology in action. This science connects every living thing on Earth. We'll see how your body is like a bustling city with trillions of tiny workers and how plants literally eat sunlight. Biology isn't just memorizing facts, it's about curiosity, asking questions, and seeing the world in a new way. Get ready to put on your thinking caps and join a quest to understand what it means to be alive. From the tiniest germ to the biggest whale, we're all part of the same story. Every breath, every snack, every blooming flower, that's biology. So, are you ready to see the world in a whole new way? Let's go! The adventure begins now! Let's break down the word biology. Bio means life, and ology means the study of... So biology is the study of life. It asks, what is life? How does it work? Where did it come from? Biology covers everything from invisible bacteria to blue whales. It's the study of plants, animals, and yes, us humans. Biology helps us understand how our bodies work, why we look like our parents, and even why we feel sleepy at night. It's the instruction manual for the amazing machine that is the human body. But biology is also about connection, showing how all living things from fungi to fish to you are related. We all share a common history and depend on each other to survive. Studying biology means learning about one giant interconnected family of life. Understanding that family is one of the most important things we can do. And don't worry, we'll explore it one amazing piece at a time. Biology is huge, so scientists split it into branches, like a tree. Zoology is the study of animals from lions to spiders. Botany is all about plants, from redwoods to moss and how they make food from sunlight. Microbiology zooms in on tiny life, bacteria, viruses and fungi, most of which help us more than harm us. Microbiologists are explorers of the invisible world inside and around us. Ecology ties it all together, studying how living things interact with each other and their environment. Ecologists look at the big picture, forests, reefs, deserts, and help us solve problems like pollution and climate change. These branches let us study life from every angle. Whether you love animals, plants, or the whole planet, there's a branch for you. Biology is about exploring every corner of life. Each branch is a new adventure. Which one will you explore? What does it mean to be alive? Scientists have a checklist. 7 key characteristics. First, all living things are made of cells, the basic building blocks of life. Second, they get and use energy. You eat food, plants use sunlight, mushrooms break down dead stuff. Third, living things grow and develop. Kittens become cats, acorns become oaks. Fourth, they respond to their environment, like pulling your hand from something hot, or a plant turning towards sunlight. Fifth, living things reproduce, making more of themselves like puppies or seeds. Sixth, they pass on traits through heredity using DNA. Seventh, they maintain a stable internal environment, homeostasis. You sweat to cool down, shiver to warm up. If something does all these things, it's alive. Cells, energy, growth, response, reproduction, heredity, and homeostasis. That's the secret handshake of life. This checklist helps us tell the difference between a rock and a rabbit. It's how we know what's living and what's not. Every living thing from bacteria to blue whales shares these traits. That's what connects all life on Earth. Pretty amazing, right? Life is organized in levels, from tiny to huge. The smallest unit is the cell, like a single Lego brick. Similar cells team up to form tissues like muscle or nerve tissue. Different tissues combine to make organs, your heart, lungs, or brain. Organs work together in organ systems like the circulatory or digestive system. All the systems together make an organism. You, a dog, or a tree. Groups of the same organism form a population, like a herd of deer. Different populations living together make a community. Add in non-living things, soil, water, sunlight, and you have an ecosystem. All ecosystems together make up the biosphere, our living planet. From one cell to the whole world, it's all connected. Life is like building blocks, stacked from tiny to gigantic, and you're part of it. Why does biology matter? It's not just for fun facts, it solves real problems. Medicine is based on biology understanding germs, creating vaccines, and treating diseases. Biology helps us grow food stronger, crops, healthier animals, and sustainable farms. It's key to protecting our environment, studying pollution, climate change, and saving endangered species. Biologists help clean up oil spills, restore forests, and design nature preserves. Biology fuels our curiosity, exploring oceans, mountains, and even searching for life on other planets. It helps us look back in time with fossils and forward to the future. Biology is a science of discovery. It helps us answer what is life and what can it do. Studying biology means making the world better, and you can be part of that. Ready for a mind-blowing fact? All living things pass down traits using DNA. DNA is a twisted ladder packed with instructions for life, your blueprint. Every cell in your body has a full copy of your DNA, tightly packed into chromosomes. If you stretched out the DNA from one cell, it'd be about 6 feet long. Now imagine all your DNA from every cell, long enough to reach the sun and back over 600 times. DNA connects you to every living thing. Chimps, mice, bananas, even yeast. It's the thread tying all life together, passed down for billions of years. You carry an astronomical library of information inside you. That's just one of biology's incredible secrets. Science is cool, and so are you. Stay curious. What a journey. Let's recap. Biology is the science of life, helping us understand everything from germs to whales. The word comes from Greek bio for life, ology for study. We met biology's branches: zoology, botany, microbiology, and ecology. We learned the 7 characteristics of life: cells, energy, growth, response, reproduction, heredity, and homeostasis. Life is organized from cells to the biosphere. Biology helps us in medicine, farming, and protecting our planet. And your DNA is an amazing library inside you. You've built a fantastic foundation for more science adventures. Be proud of what you've learned. Where do we go from here? We've seen the big picture, now it's time to zoom in. Next, we'll explore the cell, the tiny, busy city inside every living thing. We'll meet organelles like the nucleus, the brain mitochondria, the power plants, and more. We'll discover how plant and animal cells are different and why it matters. Understanding cells is the key to understanding all of biology. Get ready to think small to learn big secrets. The adventure is just getting started. Until next time, stay curious.